like that. And voila, it's all set to go. In today's video, we're going to talk about what's in my quart-size liquids bag that I take on the plane with me in my personal item bag. As you know, as a recap, you can take a personal item and a carry-on luggage that goes over your head. This one would go under your seat, and I usually keep my liquids in there so they're easy for me to get at. I don't have to unzip a suitcase to get inside. So let's get into it. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Maria, and on this channel, we talk about where to go, what to wear, and how to pack to get it all there. So today, like we said, we're going to talk about liquids bag. This is my quart-size bag that usually I'm TSA pre-check, but in some other countries, I might have to take out my liquids. And so I just like to pack like this because you never know what's going to happen when you're on another airline. And in a lot of places, you do have to take out your liquids if you're not in the United States. So without further ado, let's get into it. This is just like a Target quart-size Ziploc bag. You can see that I kind of have things in here horizontally, and I'm going to show you by taking everything out, and then I will put it back in. First and foremost, I always have my Lumify eye drops on the plane because my eyes can get dry and itchy on the plane. This is the Venus Butter Serum. This is a waterproof eye makeup remover. Toothpaste. This is a little face cream. My hair taming spray. Oops. Lanolips. This is like a nice argan oil for your face. Eyeliner. This is, let me show you. In here, I have what I use for my eyelash, and one of these is the adhesive remover. One of them is the mascara-like lash adhesive, and then this is the like little crimping prongs to squeeze them to make sure that they stay in place. And this is part of the Pro Lash system, and so I'll have these in my regular part somewhere in my bag, but the liquids part, obviously, I keep in the liquids. This is a dental kit in case anything happened to a filling or a crown. Unfortunately, I've got stuff like that to deal with. Now look at this. You already can see I have a dupe because I have this toothpaste, which isn't taking up too much space because it's almost done. And I do prefer this whitening one, but look how tiny this little Colgate one is. I never really use the toothpaste in here, so I'll probably remove this and just keep this tiny one. Didn't even realize I had that in there. Okay, so then a little set of tweezers. This is a little throat spray. Sometimes it can get dry on the plane or in a hotel, and if I get sick when I'm on vacation, I like to have this little throat spray to coat my throat if it's feeling sore. This is for getting into a pot of, like moisturizer. This is a little thing. These little cotton things go with the dental stuff. These are little packets of eye cream and face serum. Ambisil. Obviously, I bring these things just as an insurance policy. If something happened, I just want to have it accessible to me. And this is clove oil, which is also for your tooth problem. And then these are some of the packets. I love to collect these packets to bring in my liquids bags. And then these are the Elta sunscreens, 40 SPF. And then this is the Oribe shampoo and conditioner. Love the packets. They're so easy. And you don't really have to worry about them leaking or anything like that, which is awesome. This is a topical vertigo type of thing. You kind of just have like a thing like that, and you just kind of like put it behind your ear if you're feeling vertigo-y. And this is another tooth fix thing in case the first one doesn't work. Some Q-tips. Sometimes if I have a layover, like that's just one night, I will use what's in my liquids bag so I don't have to take all my toiletries out of my regular suitcase, and I can just kind of go overnight just using what's in my personal item bag or backpack. And so this is a little Mario Badasco spot treatment. It comes I can't find these anymore, but this is one of them. Please comment if you know where to get those. I would buy some more if I knew how to get them. This is a little thing of wine away. Sometimes on the plane, you hit a turbulence, you might get some wine on you, and this is just a little spray that you spray it on, and it helps the wine to disappear. Hence wine away. A little fragrance. These are a couple of little medicines that I have for my skin. Sometimes I can get irritation around my face or whatever, and if that happens, this is like a dangerous triangle to have problems in. So if I have any kind of thing when I'm away that happens, if something flares up, I want to know that I have the antibiotic and medicine that I need to make it go away without having to have a big issue in another country or something like that. Okay, so maybe I have a lot of extra tooth stuff, but I like having it to know that if I need it, it's there. Then this is eardrops, and then there's just a little foundation, which I dab for concealer also. And then what is this? Oh, this is a tiny nail file. That's it. I'll kind of show you. And sometimes in this one, I have a little pot of moisturizer, and I think I switched it out for this little face cream because it was so little. But sometimes, especially if I need something, it just so happens that right now I've got all of these moisturizers that are real thin like this. But sometimes I do have a pot that I put in there, and because I have like nails usually, I like to use this to scoop it out of the pot. So it doesn't take up any room to keep it there, because when I run out of some of these things, then I will probably have the little pot of my moisturizer again. So let me show you what I've got here. So this is just that bag and all of the stuff that I pulled out of it. And then I'll go ahead and put it back in and show you how it fits. I usually put the things I don't expect to use very much at the bottom. So that nail file can stay there. All of this like dental stuff, in case I have an issue, that's kind of like emergency repair kits that I don't want to lose if I need them, but I probably won't need them. I'm going to put way at the bottom. Same thing with the vertigo medication. And I'm putting these horizontal eardrops. Same thing, my face ointments and antibiotic. And I'm leaving this out because I have this other little one that I can put, and I'll keep that stuff on top that I'm going to use more, concealer and stuff like that. So now we're getting to the other stuff that I will use. Okay, all right, my hair stuff. And I think I'll slide these down along the side. And I like to be able to see. That's one of the reasons I like these little bags, is because I like to be able to see which one I might want to pull out, so I don't have to pull every single thing out. So this is a good little thing so you can see, okay, if I want the sunscreen, if I want the face serum, or if I want the face moisturizer, I can see them. And then over here, I'll stick these in first. The wine away, I want to have access to, because if something happens on the plane, I'll probably put that on top, the lip on top, the Lumify on top, and the moisturizer, and then this stuff can go in. If I need to freshen up after the flight, I might want to use the eyeliner too, so it's nice to have that handy. So my lip and eye stuff is the thing I'm mostly gonna get, so I just leave those on top like that, and voila, it's all set to go. I can see what I need, and that's about that. So I know that I have a lot of things that are probably excessive to some people for their teeth. I've had a lot of issues with my mouth ever since I was a kid. I've had problems. I have a bonded tooth in the front. So in any case, I feel better knowing I have this stuff with me if I need it, and if I want something immediately, it's in my personal item bag. I definitely recommend putting all of your medications in your personal item bag, just in case anything happened. Even if they gate check your bag, it's nice to know that whatever you need is right there, that you can reach it in a second if you need to. So that's what I like to have underneath the seat in front of me in my personal item bag. Personal item bag is a backpack, a purse, a tote bag, anything that can fit under the seat in front of you. And it's a secondary bag that goes, in addition to the carry-on that goes above your head, this is the thing that's gonna go right under the seat in front of you. And so if I wanna use this stuff before I get off the plane, I can grab it from under the seat really easily. So that's why I like to have all this stuff in here. Let me know in the comments if you have a similar liquids bag, or if you have all of your toiletry liquids. This is just like more like my emergency, or like if I'm having one overnight, I have this. And then I have other liquids, and that'll be part of my toiletries video. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. I think I'm gonna put that one up next because it kind of coincides with this. So this is my plain, not my emergency, but kind of my plain liquids bag that goes in my personal item. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned. The next video is going to be my toiletries that are more cosmetic and extra and stuff like that.